In this video, I'm going to show you how I spent 10,000 real buying accessories for my Audi A3 on AliExpress. I hope you'll enjoy the video. I'll be providing links to all the products from sellers I had a successful experience with in the first few links in the description. But of course, don't forget to like the video because nobody else is guiding you, helping you, or showing you where to get the best bang for your buck on these accessories, okay? So let's dive in and take a look directly on my computer screen. I'll be showing you all the accessories I purchased for my Audi A3, or almost all of them, at the best price. And of course, they're all plug and play, okay? Keep in mind, this is all for an Audi A3 2016 model 8V, alright? It's not a facelift model, so these accessories are all for the 8V model prior to the facelift, alright? So let's take a look at how I spent 10,000 real on accessories for my Audi A3. I'll recommend these to you, and I'll also include them in the first link in the description. All the accessories I'll present to you here, and I'll explain the final totals for how much you'd need to spend to purchase them. All these accessories, but remember, give it a like because no one else is sharing this information advising where to buy or helping you out. So keep watching because these tips here are worth a lot. Give it a like and subscribe to the channel. The first item here, right? For my Audi A3, the issue would be the internal trims with LED. Okay guys, so as you can see on the screen, these are the trims. Made of carbon fiber, their value is 551 real and 30 cents. At the time I bought it with free shipping. You'll also find Aswinox pedal boards here. They are 62 real plus another 32, totaling around 100 real. I won't calculate the exact amount. I'll go with a rough estimate. But here are the Aswinox pedals for you to purchase. I'll leave the link for you in the description below. Okay, keep an eye on this. Over here we have the Audi's RS3 flashlight, or more accurately the tail light. It comes with a dynamic turn signal light. Here's an illustrative photo. The tail light costs 2,281 real with an additional 315 in shipping. Remember, this is important. Let me open the ad here to show you. It's this tail light that you can see, the one with the running turn signal light. That would be this one. You need to select the model to make the purchase, and you need to select the year from 2017 to 2020. The halogen headlights that come with the car originally. So if your car has halogen headlights, you'll select this first option. If your headlights are LED already, then for cars from 2013 to 2016 that came with LED headlights, you'd select this second option. Why? Because the style of the plug changes, right? The adapter that will come here lets you plug it in and transform it into a plug and play without needing to cut wires. This applies to 2013 to 2016 halogen headlight models. Lastly, for models from 2017 to 2020 that come with LED headlights, here's all this for you. Okay, moving on. This next one is also a cool accessory. It's a little knob you put on top of the gear shift. It's made of carbon fiber, which makes your gear shift knob a carbon fiber gear shift knob. Right here we have LED strips for the rear view mirrors with the dynamic arrows or running arrows. They cost 71 real and 59 cents. Just to recap here, this little knob costs 18 real and 67 cents plus another 28 in shipping. The LED strips for the rear view mirrors, the sequential LEDs, cost 71 real and 89 cents. A straight base steering wheel for the Audi A3 costs 1,157 real. Looking for CarPlay? There might be slight variations in the price, obviously due to the dollar, but here it's a very good price, even considering dollar fluctuations. Keep in mind that I'm not a seller of these products. I am merely recommending them because I purchased from these sellers. However, I hold no responsibility for the product sale. Moving on, we have the plug-and-play reversing camera here for the Audi A3 8V 414, which comes with a 48 reais shipping cost. Here we have the butterfly style that is original RS3 style, all in piano black or glossy black with a brushed steel edge with little lights lighting up on the edges. It's 801.38 with free shipping. Another product that I also purchased for myself was the carbon fiber aerofoil. In this case, this one is not from the same seller that I bought from, but some of my friends have already bought from this listing. They received everything as expected, and the piece is of good quality, as I always say. For everyone, try to buy from the link I provided and avoid searching for other links for one simple reason. The sellers that I recommend or I purchased from for my car provided products that are really high quality. Otherwise, you might encounter a seller who simply copies the product photo from another advertiser and the quality might not match when it finally arrives. So these are the sellers from whom I made my purchases and I trust. I can confirm that the pieces arrived with quality, so I recommend that you buy from them. Continuing, here is the 525 aerofoil with an additional 341 in freight. It's the grille of the Audi RS. The model here is honeycomb, as people usually refer to it. In this case, its logo, as you can see in the photo, is faded as they are not allowed to use it since it's a replica. However, it comes with the Audi logo here with the little rings. It's 860 with 437 in shipping costs. Remember that the quality is guaranteed because I've already purchased it myself. In fact, I'm recommending it because it served me well, so it will likely work for you as well. Next up, we have the carbon fiber extractor. This one isn't exactly like mine, since the one I purchased isn't available for sale anymore. A friend recently bought this particular model, received it, liked the quality. I also approved of the quality, so here is the carbon fiber extractor for Audi RS3 470 and 82 with a shipping cost of 432. The shipping cost is quite high because the piece is large, just like the RS grille, hence the quite large box for shipping. Shipping thus becomes expensive. Furthermore, the extractor also ends being quite expensive. Moving on, the car's carbon fiber mirrors cost 164 reais, and the carbon fiber center console is 173 reais with free shipping. Here we have I never remember, I always mix up whether it's the inlet or the muffler. So I'm going to refer to it as the inlet, even though it might not be the correct terminology since I don't recall which is which. But let's suppose that this is an inlet. Many of us would pay 700, 800, 900, sometimes even 1,000 for this piece here, you know, purchasing from CTS or some other brand. It's very expensive here in Brazil. Sometimes we purchase it just to show off to our friends. For instance, oh, mine is from CTS, but it's just a piece of metal. I don't see the necessity to pay a huge sum for a piece that is so small, so it's simple to manufacture and I use it in my car. In fact, a part like this in my car is from China. I paid much cheaper, saving a lot of money. Here it costs 60 reais plus 78 in shipping costs. It doesn't even reach 200 reais. Here in Brazil, the people who resell this same performance part, right? For the people with the Golf GTI, Audi A3, the Z888 Generation 3 in general sell this part, and you end up paying 600. You'll pay a significant amount like 700 or 800, but it will be much more expensive elsewhere, so here it will be much cheaper. There's also the muffler, which is much cheaper here because people sell it for 500 reais. Even brands like CTS and APR, here you won't even reach 200 reais buying a part plus delivery. You know, it's silicone for air induction, that intake you bought to the mouth of the turbine, which I also installed in my car. I'll include a photo for you. 68.59 with 78 shipping does not even reach 200 reais here in Brazil. Whoever sells this here from the brands APR, CTS, among others, ends up selling it and charging 800, 700, super expensive. So let's see, let's check how many items we have here. We have 17 items in the cart for you to see. On Aliexpress, we have 17 items here in the cart to purchase and modify your car. The tally here was a subtotal without shipping of 8,987 reais, a total discount of 49.65, and to reach the 10,000 spent you have the shipping fees, which are a bit pricey, but without them unless you take a flight here and go to China to pick it up because there is no other way. So, let's move on. In total, it was 8,987 reais in parts. Shipping fee 1,871. The total purchase price was 10,809. So let's round it up. Let's say that for 10,800 reais you are getting a very complete package. It includes everything plus a little more. There are 17 items, including the LED trims, including the Asinox pedals, RS3 flashlight. There will be a carbon fiber cover on the gear knob, dynamic arrow for the mirrors, steering wheel with a straight base, CarPlay directly on the screen, reverse camera. There will be RS paddles here. There will be a carbon fiber spoiler. There will also be the RS grille, carbon fiber extractor, carbon fiber mirror, carbon fiber center console, inlet muffler, and hose pipe. You will have all of this for 10,000 reais. I'll quote a low price once you're going to do a basic stage 2. An engine map for 3,000 reais, a downpipe. I'll give you a price for a download pipe for 1.5. It's already 4.5. So 3,000 for a map plus 1.5 for a downpipe is already 4.5. With another good intake than a month ago, or a better intake is 3 sticks. So then it will be 6 to 7.5, 7.5 to have just 3 things in the car. Here you are buying 17 items to completely change your car, spending 10,000 reais practically rounding off. I think it's a great cost benefit. You also don't need to buy all these parts. You can just buy a few of them and assemble them slowly, or you can close a package now and buy everything at once. This is my recommendation for you, the indications of the products that I purchased, which I used to assemble in my car, and which made my car aesthetically beautiful, which is always noticed by people on the street or on the channel. I hope I was able to help you. I'll leave the link here in the description. The first ones will be for all these products from these sellers that I've shown you and that I've already tested. And remember to leave a like. I want to know from you, which of these products do you want to buy? Which one do you have the most desire to buy? And which ones have you already installed on your Audi A3? We're done then, folks. I hope I've helped you. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.